What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for LaytonSportsCards, ripping 1920 Select Basketball Hobby Hybrid 5-box break number 2, random teams. Got Thomas M. Hawks, Jason C. Kings, Matthew A.K.I. Suns, H. Lee Sixers, Justin F. Spurs, Jeff S. Bulls Nets, Thomas M. Pistons, M. Kim Celtics Raptors Magic, Scott B. T. Wolves, Kyle M. Knicks, Patrick M. Jazz Thunder, Christopher B. Mavericks, Matthew L. Pelicans, M. Kim Wizards, Blazers Clippers, C. Chan Bucks Pacers, Matthew L. Grizzlies, Zachary E. Warriors, Matthew A. N. D. Cavs, M. Kim Rockets Nugs, Joshua B. Hornets, Donald M. Heat, Abraham R. Lakers. Let's do it. Come on, Kansas. Silver, Zach LaVine Bulls. Red, rookie Grant Williams Celtics. Brandon Clark, Trae Young. Look at that guy. LeBron base. It's like a $20 card. James Harden. Choice Silver. Basley, Jordan Poole, Ignar Ignat Igblad. Kevin Knox, Goga, Silver rookie, DeAndre Hunter, Hawks, and red courtside, Steph Curry Warriors. Nice red courtside to 49, Darius Basley, KZ Okpala. Plex nerve.
Then when we seen that in Dallas.
Zion Williamson base. $1 million card. You can retire with this one. Congrats on the early retirement there, Pelicans owner. We got Silver Kobe White, Premier level rookie. And blue Premier level, Kristaps Porzingis Mavericks. To 25. Kevin Durant, Terry Rozier. That's Photoshop. You missed it. The one chick. I'm like, dude,
It's so bad.
that one was not real.
Like, ain't no way.
She looked plastic. Drummond, Oladipo, Silver, Dual 180 Embiid. Philly, and blue to 49, Kevin Knox. Knicks. Ignar, and Brandon Clark. There's a boat. Nice little boat. Keldon, Taco, Silver, Kyle Lowry, Raptors. Bates, Kobe White, Lake Garcia, Florida.
A lot of bags out
Silver, Derrick Rose, Kemba, KZ, and Jordan Poole. Exactly, Frank. That's the attitude I like to see. Rookie Silver, Dylan Windler. You'll be Bill Gaten before you know it, dude.
there. Telling you.
Gary Harris, Trae Young, Chris Middleton.
Don't forget about me now when you start Bill Gates.
I remember when Lil Wayne said he was Bill Gaten. I'm like, dude, You're not even close to Bill Gates. What are you talking about? I'm Bill Gates.
Oprah not even Bill
Okay.
Gates. And she right behind Bill Gates. Saying Oprah not even Bill Gates.
Stupid, dude. Lil Wayne. I'm Bill Gates.
Boy, please.
Got Silver Devin Booker, Suns. Red Kawhi Leonard, Clippers. Naz Reid, Cam Reddish. Windler, Derrick Rose. Rookie Silver, Grizzlies, Ja Morant. Boom, nice hit. Matthew L. We'll mag that Ja. And blue courtside, DeAndre Ayton, Suns to 25. Very nice. John Wall, Rudy Gobert, courtside, silver, Sixers, Josh Richardson. You ever seen an Oscar fish? At PetSmart, you can get them like as pets.
The Oscar fish.
I'll show you.
They look like Oscar the Grouch.
Apparently, you can catch them near Miami in the wild, and I want to go try and do that. They eat meat. It's crazy, dude. They have like big old teeth in the back of their jaw.
I don't know.
And got silver Kyrie Irving, and I used to have one as a pet.
Don't get your fingers bit off.
Kyrie silver Nets and green premier level Kawhi Leonard. 3 of 5 Clippers. That's very nice. Rats on the Kawhi. Hachimura on the back. Can't believe I've never seen an Oscar. Zion, rookie base, concourse.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, they look like tigers.
Yeah.
They get stripes. I got Ben Simmons silver. And if we catch one of those, we can keep it and put it in a tank. It'll survive.
Keep going again.
That's what I'm saying. Bring them home.
Got a little fish egg. Y'all supposed to be fishing, not catching pets.
Yeah, ever start keeping them all?
I got a pet bass.
Apartments are just full of fish. Oh man, we got silver Celtics, Jason Tatum. Sarah has no idea you've been keeping all the fish.
Cortez.
What are you doing?
This? An aquarium? This is Lilo.
Just experience, honestly, Jeff. We just know. They make little guides, little paper guides. I'm sure you could buy some of those. LeBron base. Silver rookie T-Wolves, Naz Reid. Blue courtside, Nikola Jokic. There you go, Nugs to 25. Thibault, Kemba. Inception RPAs are 130s. Sometimes they're like 140-ish. So you might need to put it in a 180. Rookie silver, Cam Reddish. I think we have them in stock. Red premier level Ben Simmons. There you go, Philly. And a Zach LaVine, DeAndre Hunter. What's up, Steven? Last box. Look at all those lilies. Plants and weeds.
I done lost like all the books. Even last one.
Ace. Silver, Nikola Jokic. Nugs. Grant Williams, Hachimura, Norvell Jr. Romeo, Danilo, Silver, Dual 180. Blue, courtside rookie, Pelicans, Nikhil Alexander Walker. To 25, grants on that. It's a nice reel. Redemption. Heat. Rookie jersey auto. Disco Prism Tyler Hero. Congratulations, Miami.
Donald M.
Donald M. Very nice. There you go. Got silver Jamal Murray. And a red premier level KAT. Yeah, 100% those. There's a Ja. Courtside base. 100% the patch autos are 130s. The regular autos are what's their fit? They're 100s. Rookie premier level silver RJ Barrett. Very nice. Look at that boat. I like the one with the flat. That one. Base. There you go. Does it for the break, guys. Coming up next, impeccable tiered. Sit tight.